It's 9:45, I'm stood outside the gym. We're opening up for the first open gym session that we've done, 10 till 12 Sundays. I think we're going to do it for about 8 weeks, see what people think about it, and then if it's I can't say that. If it's a success, then I think we'll carry on doing it, obviously. Maybe even put it on a Saturday. But yesterday, we played rugby. We won 32-14. Got 3 tries and man of the match. That's obviously the positives of the day. Now, this is what happened just before. Boom. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is what happens when slams his brakes on in front of you. You don't really get much choice in that kind of situation, and I'm sure it's going to cost me about £1,000. But I try and take the positives from it, from the day I suppose. And yes, I'm going to go inside now, hoover up, and then get ready for the guys to come in. I have no idea how this desk always ends up this messy. I'll clean it later. Okay, that's it. So the first free open gym session is a wrap. We had 7 people show up and 5 people did a CrossFit workout. Now, let me show you what we did. So every 5 minutes for 4 rounds, we did 30 burpees, 20 kettlebell swings and 10 pull-ups. So after a full day yesterday of rugby and a shitty little car crash, I suppose I didn't really realise how sore I was. Now my body is in pieces. I think the most important part when starting CrossFit is that, and especially when you play rugby or a sport, is that you avoid injury. It's dead easy to get yourself caught up in CrossFit and you want to train a couple of times a day, and sometimes that might not be realistic. The best part about CrossFit is that you can do it at your own convenience. You don't need to program it, you know, your gym or coach will do that for you. So if you're looking for something new to do, I'd recommend that you go and find the closest CrossFit box to you, or a gym that does something like it. Okay, so it's time for me to go back. I'm gonna have a bath, I'm gonna foam roll, chill out for a bit, eat some food, and then get myself ready. Me and Matt are gonna go for a coffee and talk about nutrition for our clients. Okay, so that was a lovely training session, a nice Sunday morning. You walk outside, the weather's beautiful. Oh wait, and then you realise someone slammed on in front of you. Let me show you around the car. So, bonnet, reg plate, cracked a crack, can't open the door because this part's been bent out. Give you a quick update. Took me into the garage around the corner and he said that he thinks that the bumper is like salvageable, and especially the bonnet. He said that you can plastic weld these parts, but I'll probably just need a new grille. See if I can show it because of that crack. Now hopefully the damage to that guy's car is little and it doesn't cost me too much. But if it costs me 500 quid in total to repair the car, I'd probably save 500 quid from going through the insurance. So I've just had the conversation with the guy that I bumped into, and he's willing to do it privately. He said it's going to cost 180 quid, and he also wants a lift to work on Friday.